everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making two easy dishes. My first one is called summer corn salad, and it's a real easy side dish. I think this would even be good for the 4th of July. And I'm going to be using corn on the cob. You could also probably use frozen corn if you wanted to, and you could probably also use canned corn if you want to. But some people cook their corn and some don't. And also in this summer corn salad recipe, I'm going to be using cherry tomatoes. And I'm going to slice them in half. Also, I'm going to slice my mozzarella cheese into little cubes. And also I'm going to be using fresh basil. And over here I'm going to be making the salad dressing, which is lemon juice, olive oil, garlic. Also, I'll be using kosher salt and cracked black pepper. And I'll put it in here and shake it up. Let me get started on my summer salad. I have my cheese sliced into small cubes, and I have my basil chopped up, and my tomatoes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my tomatoes and my cheese. Some of my cheese wants to stay in the bowl. And now I'm going to be adding in my basil. So I'm going to mix all this up. And try not to make too much racket. Okay. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up my salad. I'm going to take my fork and just kind of get that corn up a little bit more. Okay. So now then I'm going to put in my olive oil in my little jar with a lid on it. I'm going to put in my lemon juice. This recipe will be in the description below. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting in my garlic. And my salt and black pepper. Put my lid on and just give it a shake. Okay, I think that's good enough. All right, now then I've got my salad dressing mixed up. So I'm going to pour it over my salad. Okay, I'm going to do it. Kind of mix it up a little bit more. Get those tomatoes down in the bottom. Okay. All right, let's do the taste test now. Just get... Okay, here we go. That is really delicious. You can taste that basil in there. It's very good. So, let me get started on my other quick and easy dessert. And I think it's going to be a real good one also. Okay, the dessert that I'm making today is called a mixed berry mini trifle. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my cream cheese. Okay. And then I'm going to add my powdered sugar. Okay, so I added my cream cheese and my powdered sugar, and I'm going to beat this until it's smooth. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding in my milk and my vanilla flavoring. I'm going to be using these Twinkies, and they're the 4th of July Twinkies. And also, the recipe called for ladyfingers, but our store didn't have them. So I'm making this with Twinkies. Now then I'm going to put a dollop of this cream cheese mixture. Then I'm going to put a little blueberries. Okay, now then I'm going to put some more Twinkies on. And then I'll put in some strawberries. And these have been sitting in sugar for about 10 minutes. Okay. And so there is you an easy summertime trifle, mini trifle. Okay, let me do the taste test. Get some Twinkie and a blueberry and a strawberry. That's very delicious. Okay, when you taste of it off camera.
Oh yeah, I love that. That's good.
Calvin didn't like the corn salad that much. He's not a basil friend. But if y'all are not a basil friend either, you can just not put as much basil in it. And put the dried basil in your salad dressing and shake it up. And just put a pinch in it or two. And put it on your corn salad if you're not a basil fan. So, I personally like dried basil better than I do fresh basil. But there's a lot of people out there that really love basil. But that's what I do different on this corn salad. And this naturally right here would be better after it got cold. But it's really good. So I think it's a cute little summertime dish. And I hope y'all make both of these if you're looking for summertime dishes. And so do what you love and love what you do. And I'll see you on the next video.